So not so long ago, I made a video about online entrepreneurship and how you could polish your online entrepreneurship using these applications from maybe the App Store or the Play Store. I mean, in a technological perspective. So I made a first episode. So if you haven't watched that was about receipt fast and producing receipts for your clients as an online entrepreneur. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about graphical design, what you can do as an online entrepreneur to brand your business in a way that wouldn't require so much money, like paying to graphic designers to actually design your logos or your flyers or even your banners to patronize your product. This is what today's video is about. I'm Delpy and let's get this video started. So as an online entrepreneur, one key factor you have to consider is broadcasting or getting a brand for your product, and getting a brand in the sense that you have to make something to sell yourself out or to sell your product out, and these includes banners, logos and flyers. And fine, if you have the money to rent or pay a graphical designer to design something exquisite for you, fine, you can go for it. But if you don't have the money to pay a graphical designer to go ahead and design a banner or flyer for you, there are a couple of apps on the Play Store or on the App Store I would like you to try out, and I know you'd really love it because they provide a lot of value for such a very small amount to waste. An amount, I mean data bundle. And these apps go by the name in no particular order. The first app is Canva. Canva is more like a graphical designing app that has so many templates to guide you through the way by creating flyers, banners, even YouTube thumbnails, because that's what I mostly use to create my YouTube thumbnails. You can do so much with this application because it's very intuitive. It has a lot of functions and features to help you out there. So in case you don't have the money, the budget to purchase a graphic designer or to pay a graphic designer to actually help you design something based on your product, you could use Canva to do that. And I know most of you would have come across that app already. So yeah, if you have come across it already, that is fine. You could still go there and then use the templates in there and then make yours out of it, or you could start by creating your own flyer. So yeah, that's the first one, and that was Canva. I'll leave a link to download it in the description. The second option is to use Adobe Spark.post. Adobe Spark.post is quite similar to Canva, just that it's more limited than that of Canva. Even though they provide the same value, I feel like Adobe Spark.post is not much into detail like Canva is, although they also provide templates. I really would go to Canva over Spark.post because I've really come to love Canva over the past few years. But Spark.post also does the job if you are looking for templates to just build a banner or a flyer. Yeah, so these are the two apps I recommend for you. I'm Delpy and thanks for watching this video. If you really loved it, leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe. Peace out.